Hi guys, mabuhay and welcome to the Binalunan. Binalunan is accessible with a tricycle, jeeps, bus, and your private cars. Welcome to Binalunan guys!
Good day, everyone. Welcome to Binalunan City, the first-class municipality that rapidly developing within Pangasinan.
Binalunan Heritage Museum showcases the town's rich local culture and history. It is housed in a restored 116-year-old building that originally served as the Binalunan Intermediate School. The Binalunan Town Plaza is a vibrant landscape gathering space located on McKinley Street in Binalunan, Pangasinan.
So hi guys, as you can see, meron pong fish pond ang Binalunan Plaza. As you can see guys, malinis po siya. And there's a leaf lang po na nahuhulog but madali lang po siyang linisin. At nakikita po natin na clear po ang tubig ng fish pond po nila.
The primary and historic church in municipality is Santo Niño Parish Church, located right in Poblacion Binalunan Plaza.